Welcome everybody, welcome to my game with Season 3, and welcome back to my brand new video. Just watch something Nick Billy Boat in a new game. I'm a bacon. I'm a bacon. Maybe there's not enough room. I'm gonna start that launch. To make it down. To make it count. For a new to Godly and Billy Beaufort find something for new Godly. But I can't. My boat cannot go fast because it's slow. My boat's slow. We can't make it over there because my boat's too small. If you don't subscribe, I'm blocking you out of my video. We're in the second room. After that, we're going to the clock room. And the clock room isn't in the third one. Someone joined me. Someone joined me in a team. About me. We made it to the clock room. Oh no, my arm. I broke my arm. I can't get out. And I just died. We got $24 in Roblox. Slots empty. Leave me shot. Oh my god, we got more. We got more stuff. We could do that one too. Hello? Who said hello? Hi. We need to go inside. We need to go, so I can't, maybe I can't go in there. Okay. He can come inside. Ooh, good. We're in the fruit. So one of them is up there. What? One of them going to win. He got a lot of blocks. He's still in the lead. We can't make it there in miles to catch him. He's too fast. Now we gotta find something to get in the boat. So meat and ingredient and the bacon here. So she is dead. The girl has been killed.
Tip me off. Tip me off.
Someone messed up the door. No, in Roblox. I recharge. Watch out, there's rocks. Oh, the rest. Oh, blank. I got $4. I get more next now. We can find something to stop. Nora's okay. You're supposed to do something dry. You need to dry. He will. And these two people, one of them is going to get the medium, and one of them will be hard. Oh no, she made it. They want it easy. If people go easy, they have medium. They go into hard, and they can go difficult. Easy, medium, difficult, and remove. Easy, medium, hard, difficult, challenging, intense, ruthless, insane, extreme. Easy, medium, hard, difficult, challenging, intense, ruthless, insane, extreme, terrifying, catastrophic. There's not enough room. Come on. We gotta make it there. Someone once again. The rocket's riding the balloons. Where's it once again? I'm sorry. He said sorry. This is a challenge. Yeah, move away. Challenge of 3 for winners, no for losers. and find green. So green. My video ended already. This is 3. I can see you in Dungeon Quest already. From noob to master to finish up. Yeah, finish up to noob to master. So bye bye.